Bright Arizona poppies bloom across the Sonoran Desert at Catalina State Park near Tucson, with tall saguaros and a rugged mountain ridgeline forming a dramatic backdrop under a soft blue sky. The composition combines close-up wildflowers with wide-open desert scenery, capturing that classic southern Arizona springtime look in one frame. This Images by Cheri photography print is professionally produced from the original photograph, available in multiple sizes, and shipped unframed. This was one of those desert days when everything feels freshly awake. I set up low among the poppies so the tallest blooms could rise into the frame, then let the saguaros and mountains hold the horizon like landmarks you can feel in your bones. When the breeze eased and the flowers stood still long enough, I captured the shot that balances tiny petals with big Arizona space. This print brings bright, optimistic energy to a kitchen, living room, office, or entryway, especially for anyone who loves wildflower season and desert landscapes with depth. It also makes a thoughtful gift for Tucson locals, hikers, and travelers who want a lasting memory of spring in the Sonoran Desert. Hang it where you want, a daily reminder that the desert can be both rugged and full of color.